This video will guide you through using EchoPoll's browser platform to create engaging live polls for your students. EchoPoll allows you to easily build interactive quizzes, surveys, and concept checks that students can respond to in real time during a teaching session using their own digital devices. To access EchoPoll, please follow this URL. If you don't have an account, please request an EchoPoll account through IT support. First, log into EchoPoll's browser application. Use your university's credentials. Once you've logged in, click on the Open button for EchoPoll. The EchoPoll dashboard can look a little overwhelming when you first log in. All you need to be aware about is that you have a dashboard at the top, you've got a library, and you also have your reports. In this session, we will focus on creating a quiz. To do that, you need to create a new poll deck. So click on Create Poll Deck. A poll deck is a set of questions and content slides that you prepare beforehand. For now, I'll add my own. Give your new deck a name relating to the course topic and hit Create. Now it's time to build out your poll deck with questions and other content slides. EchoPoll offers a variety of question types, including multiple choice, true or false, and even open-ended responses. As you create each question slide, be sure to mark the correct answer choice. Explore the settings to optionally control how student responses display and also add time limits. When your poll deck is complete, return to the main library. Once you're ready to launch your live session, click on Start. Give this session a distinct name, such as including the course name and date. Under the Show settings, enable Guest Public. Have a look through all the other options available on this page to customize for your pedagogy. Once you're ready, click Start to begin the live session. On the screen, a joining code will display at the top of your screen. Ask your students to go to this URL and use this code to enter the session. Alternatively, you've got a QR code in the top right corner that students can scan and log on to the session. So tell them to enter the code here and join session. They'll be asked to input the first name and click Continue. So because you haven't started the session, this is what the students will see. When you begin to start, the screen changes for the student. To show the question, you will need to click the play button here, and then the students will be able to see what that question is. You can set the timer from the question settings by clicking this button here. This will allow students a specific period of time to answer these questions. The correct answer will show on both your screen and the student's screen. To go on to the next question, click the arrow next. The students won't be able to see this yet, so you will have to click on the play button in order for the student's screen to change. So now they've got this new question, and you've already set a timer, so let that timer run while the students are answering the question. You will be able to monitor the student answers in real time and identify any areas of struggle or misunderstanding. If you want to end the timer a lot sooner, you can always pause it here. The screen for the students will change as well. It's also worth noting you've got other controls at the bottom of the screen. If you needed to change any setting, you'd have to go here. If you wanted to change the chart type for any point, click on the chart type and you can change it to a different type. If your question has a graphic, you can use Show Media and it will change that for your screen. You can do things here where you can highlight certain areas on any of the diagrams as you're hinting to the question to the students. Once you've finished, click Exit. This will save your session and click End. Be sure to explore EchoPoll's additional resources as you continue using this powerful education tool. For further help and support, please contact the Digital Learning team.